Alright guys, Captain K-Dog here. It's been a while since you've seen me, but hopefully this video makes it to the YouTube. It's been a long, hot summer. Been very busy. Tired, didn't feel like making the track out here. So we're gonna come out here today, hopefully make a video for you. We're out here at Salters Creek Boat Ramp up here past Harper's Island. So we're gonna try to get on them. And this is the first time I'm fishing here, so I've never been here, so stay tuned. Hope we're gonna get on them. K-Dog got a decent one on. I don't know what that is. He's noise though, Daddy. Oh yeah. A little baby red or something. Oh, it looks like a bluefish. First fish of the day, guys. Old Blue. Old Mr. Bluey. Thick old blue right there. Stop jumping though. I guess I'm gonna have to net them. Gosh almighty. Dang, nice size blue. Get to the chopper. That's him. Oh, whoa, that ain't no flounder. That's a nice red. Oh, what the crap is that? That's a big old, I think it's a big red. Yes, sir. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's a nice one there. Yeah, baby. That's a pretty red too. On a voodoo shrimp, baby. Check him out. Yes, sir. That's a nice one. He's heavy. This rod's really too light for him because this is really my flounder rod. It's a thick one too. Gotta break my rod. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, that's a purty goldfish, baby. That's purty. Man, he's beautiful. He hammered that joker. Man, I'm gonna take my time with him because he just broke me off. Oh yeah, heck yeah, baby. Check him out. He's a thick old baby. Purdy fish. Purdy. Look at that blue purdy tail. Alright, let's get him back. Y'all wouldn't mind. Y'all want to see more of this kayak fishing stuff. Reds, flounders, and trout. I'm from North Carolina and I fish mainly North Carolina and South Carolina, but y'all wouldn't mind to hit that like button. Yeah, I'm using like 20-pound braid to a 20-pound fluoro leader. I just retied after I caught that redfish because it was scarred up a little bit, but I hate to know if I caught a 30 or 40 inch red on this, I probably wouldn't land them, but I just can't stand throwing heavy stuff all day, especially when you're out here 6-8 hours. I like throwing lighter stuff. Oh yeah, there he is. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Yeah, not too nice. This is called Drum Point. I guess it ain't disappointing because we got us a drum. Drum Point. Look at that blue tail on that jewel. Number 2, redfish. Got him. Freaking Lizardo. Oh, Mr. Lizardo. You can't come up around this area without catching an old Lizardo fish. Dang, I hate these jokers. It's called a lizard fish. Pain in the butt. Ass in the boat, boy. You won't get off of that one, cuz. Fourth flounder, I finally landed. The other three got off. Finally. Mr. Flounder. What's up, buddy? Long time no see. It's probably 16, 15, 16 inch baby flounder. Go do what flounders do, cuz. Heck yeah. Y'all probably didn't see them other three ones. They were bigger than him. He was a little bit smaller than the other three I hooked right here. But oh, there's some mullet running around out here. Let's see if we can get another one. Got another one, baby. Let's hope he don't jump spit the hook. Come on, baby. Got him hooked good. Number 2 flounder. Number 2 flounder, baby. He's a little smaller than the last one, but stop peeing on me, dude. A bunch of flounder on this little stretch right here. Got him off the hook. He stopped flapping. Let's put him in this crystal clear water. See what they do when they do it. Come on, baby. Swim. There he goes. Laid right down. Oh yeah, that's a good old cast right there, baby. There's all kind of bait swimming up and down the bank right here. You might be able to see it down there, I don't know. Swimming right alongside that bait. Got him. That's him. Another baby flounder. Another baby flounder. Oh, that's a nice one there. You can shake this one, cuz. Yeah, that's a dang hoss daddy right there, son. Woo! Coming in hot, baby. She's coming in hot. Dang, he hit that jerker. Ooh. Let's put that jerker on the board, see what he measures. Seventeen and a quarter. Nice. He's a thick flounder. That's a nice flounder right there. Oh yeah, that's a dang doormat right there, baby. Oh man. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yes, sir. That's a freaking doormat. Good Lord, look at that joker. Look, the hook just popped out too. Hook just popped out. That's why you use nets. Check that joker out. That's a big joker right there. That's a hoss daddy, cuz. Good Lord. Let's see what it measures. Measure him in the net first. That's a heavy fish. Man, he's been rubbing on something. He got scars all over him. Rubbing on them oysters. 19 and a half. Check out that doormat, fellas. It's a dang flounder there. Yes, sir. I don't know if y'all can see that. Look at all them scars on him. Look like he's been rubbing on oysters and stuff. Alright, well, North Carolina is illegal. That's a nice one. Let's get him. Alright, if y'all enjoyed that, you don't mind, hit the like button. We killing them today. Took a little while for them to wake up. Alright guys, we're all loaded up. About to head to the house. About a 3.5 hour drive from here. Been a long day. We caught several flounder, 2 redfish, one being a really nice one, 24, 25. Bluefish, lizardfish, which y'all probably didn't see lizardfish, Ain't nothing spectacular. But yeah, of course we had to throw all them flounders back. But if y'all stay to the end, if you wouldn't mind, if you ain't already, consider subscribing and hit the like button. I appreciate y'all. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.